kids, how are you? So today we'll revise sounds of animals. Okay, tiger, dog and cat. Dog says bow bow and cat says meow and tiger roars. Wow. Okay, I'll show the video. Just watch it. Okay kids, very good. Wow! What is this? Kids, which picture is this? This is tiger. Sorry, dog. This is dog. Yes, this is dog. And dog says, wait a minute. Listen carefully. Oh wow, what a little doggy. Dog says woo 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 woo. Yay, now next dog. Listen carefully. Very good. Labrador. Okay, this is a dog sound. Yes. Now again ma'am will show you. Look here. Very good kids. Oh. Wow. Now next animal. Okay? Ready? Yay! What is this? Which animal? Wait a minute. Oh wow! Which animal is this? This is cat. And cat says meow. Oh, black color cat. Cat says meow meow. Meow meow. Wow, cat is playing. So this is cat. Wow, this is cat. Ready for the next animal? Yes. Now who will guess which animal is this? Which animal is this? Tiger. Yes. Wow. This is tiger. I'll show you again.
As the cubs have become bolder at heart.
Wow. Now again, look here. Tiger is roaring. Wow. Oh, wow. Which animal is this? This is... Where is tiger? This is tiger. Which animal is this? This is tiger. Wow. This is Can you see, kids? Oh! Okay? Yay!